Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deposit money into Metatrader 5 in just a few simple steps. If you are ready to start trading, let's get right into it. First of all, open up your Metatrader 5 platform. Now remember that Metatrader itself doesn't handle deposits. Instead, deposits are managed by your broker. So you will need to go through your broker's platform to fund your account. Log into your broker account. Once you are in, look for the deposit or funds section. Each broker labels it a little differently, but it should be easy to find on the main dashboard. Next, select your preferred payment method. Most brokers support credit cards, bank transfers, or e-wallets. Then enter the amount you would like to deposit and confirm your transactions. Once your deposit is complete, go back to MetaTrader 5 and check your balance to make sure the funds are available. Deposits typically take a few minutes to appear, but this can vary depending on your broker. And that's it. You are all set to start trading on MetaTrader 5. If you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips. Happy trading.